All right, we are looking at the euro. Normally, I would be licking my chops on this setup, but here's the problem with it. This broke the 20-yard line over an hour ago, and it's just been trolling down here. And so this is not really a new setup. It's not really a flashback setup. So this is a trade I'm not going to take because, I mean, the trade was clear back here, which would have probably turned into a hedge the way, uh, yeah, the way the market has moved. This is on the cable. We also have one on the euro. The euro did reset, come back up, and it's coming back down. Not quite there. The cable, however, it's there. Um, I'm actually a 5-minute candle late. I like what it's doing. It seems like it's starting to stall out. So we are going to set up. We got about 2 minutes left on this candle. I think what we'll do is wait for this one to close and see if it closes down there. And if it does, then we'll hop in. All right. Oh, it's starting to bounce. We might have waited too long. See if we can get this. Yeah, dang it. We might have waited too long. That was actually probably a pretty good setup. I was just a little behind the 8 ball getting on it. We'll see if this comes back in. Darn it. That probably would have been a great trade. Looks like on the cable, we might get a second shot at this. It did rebound, probably would have worked out. This would have been a second trade. Missed the first one. So we got about 3 minutes left on this one. And it's looking like it may break the 20-yard line. So this would be a buy trade. We're looking for the bounce off the bottom. We are currently below 20, but not closed there. We could have traded this candle. I think it probably would have worked out if you want the honest truth. 5, it'd have been, yeah, right there, 6 pips. So we could have had that trade. We didn't take it because I was late to the party. But this one may be the exact setup we were looking for. We are coming up at the tail end of this candle. We got about 30 seconds left and we are below the 20. So what I'm looking for is a close down there. And then we're going to go long with one lot looking for a 5 pip take profit. So if this will hang on down here before it bounces, this is looking like a pretty good little setup here. It's got to hang in there. Boy, it's right on the line. Stay down there, big boy. I think we might have got it. So we are in. Closed 19.81. So right below the line. Now what we need to do is set up our backstop, which will be our hedge if we're wrong. This will be a pending sell order. And we're going to put that in at 1.32958. And that'll be a sell stop. So if we're right, it goes up here, we hit our take profit and we get rid of our pending order. If we're wrong, then we'll take off our take profit and work the hedge. Oh, it's getting close. That's right there. Need what? Another pip? Half a pip right there. It's pretty close. There we go. Nice. So picked up a clean trade on the cable. So we'll take off this pending order. We don't need him. Made a little bit of money on that trade. And now we are back to looking and hunting. Look at the euro doing the same thing. She's bounced as well. The CAD is following suit on the opposite side. It had the run up and it's pulling off. A little bit different looking chart. But nonetheless, you can see how that there's some pullback that's taken place there.